Transparency International. So where I got my data from is very, very important. So I go to all, and then this give a screen print of the overall market happenings with what's going on in the market. Then I now go to so my data, economy, all sources, United States of America. Then making sure that everything is clean. All sources. I go to all sources. Very, very key. Where you got we get North America, Euro. What are the Euro? We have country Australia, Belgium, Bulgaria, Finland, Germany. Then where you get it from very, very, very important. Middle East Africa. I don't focus on Middle Africa. The other country I focus on when it comes to Africa is South Africa, because the South African rand is performing super long time, and I benefit from that. I don't do anything in Mexico. I don't do anything so when you go to Asia specific, where focus is Australia. I look at Australia, I look at Hong Kong and China. Then I do a little of Malaysia, and then basically for the CDF where I get my data from is basically I look at the market for blueberry market, blackberry, black book capital, and then CMC. Basically, most I take my information from capital.com, it gaps, and then but the most long term is forex.com. That is where I get most of my data from. But this video interactive brokers, these guys are super big guys in the game. Interactive broker, Think Market. This guy I got my data from also from Think Market and Easy Market, but this is based around this video is I'm going to focus on Easy Market because that is the broker I'm using. And why I'm using Easy Market broker for the moment is because of the Easter promo they are giving us and the opportunity to benefit big time from this promo. And that is that the Easy Market is giving us access to trade, and they are giving us over 20% deposit bonus. And not only that, you are giving access to trade for the any trade you're taking for the first time. For the first time trade, what you are getting from Easy Market is that, let's say you enter a position for the first time and you lose. Easy Market refund you. Easy Market give you all the money that you lose on your first repair. And not only that, they will provide re-ECN account. The re-ECN account is there, and not only that, but they're giving full-time on the clock support and fast withdrawal. So guys, Easy Market is my go-to for everything trading. So let me check out what so Dodger added to my watch list. Easy Market and Easy Market. So focus on Easy Market, and not only that, you have my Easy Market group, you have my Web3 and Forex group, which is designed and based around Easy Market. Designed and based around Easy Market. So basically, guys, that is what I want you to understand. So let me go over to MT5. Don't complicate trading, guys. This is on my MT5, and I'm going to show you what I do on MT5, guys. I don't complicate trading. I don't complicate trading. No, don't complicate trading, guys. Do not complicate trading. So I'm going to first of all look at how I do my analysis on my favorite pair is USD JPY, Euro USD, and then USD CAD and GBP USD. That's my crazy pair is the GBP USD. So that's why I base around my analysis. USD JPY, GBP USD. That's those are where I base my analysis, guys. So basically, what's going on the GBP USD this morning? This morning, what's going on USD JPY? You can see that it's across the moving average, but I don't base my analysis on moving average anyway. I base my analysis on market structure. So let's look at what the market structure is doing. I'm going to do that using the daily time frame. I'm going to go straight to the daily time frame first. Daily, what's the daily time frame doing? You can see that the daily time frame is purely on the uptrend, and sorry, it's on the downtrend. And what you are seeing now is the market is making a move to the upside as of today. But the overall market structure is that it's on the downtrend. The overall market structure is downtrend. Do you understand me? The overall market structure, based on what we are seeing now, is on downtrend. Do not complicate trading. Then I'm going to mark out the key level here. You can see here, this is this window that I mark here is where price can move to. Price could move to this place in the future and then rebound. So price move to that place and rebound. So what I will do, I use the daily for know my bias, and based on the daily, the bias here is downtrend. So I move over to the 1 hour for confirmation. I use the 1 hour for confirmation. Boom, pure confirmation. Very disgusting. Like I said to you, confirmation, guys. Look at where I mark on the daily here, where I mark. I told you that price could move to this level, and that level is where I see it as a bearish order block. And you can see what is going on here. Price is in disgusting downtrend. What is going on here is just a retracement to the upside, and we are expecting a continuation. Then I use the 30 minutes for confirmation. Sorry, 30 minutes for entry. Daily time frame for buyers. Boom, this is crazy, guys. I told you I use the daily for my buyers. I use the 1 hour for confirmation, and then I use the 30 minutes for entry. This is crazy. So the 30 minutes now is for our entry. What do you mean? Now this is about it's about 2 minutes for a new chart to be formed, and I'm using that for confirmation of entry. You can see it's very clear what's happened here. It's in super long trend. It's went up, come down, went up, touches the key levels, come down again. It goes up, touches key level, comes down, and then what happens? Comes up, touches the key level, it comes down again, disgusting sell, touches the key level again, disgusting sell. And what are we seeing here again? It has touches the key level, and what do you expect, guys? We expect price to go down. Anyway, there will be consolidation, but we expect price to go down. So basically, guys, I told you about the promo that offer that the Easy Market is opening on the screen. So Easy Market is giving out this promo now. So it's guys for you to step in and take advantage of the promo that Easy Market is giving us.